Welcome to the GEMMA USA channel. Here we share with you how our gem movers could use their products and get the most out of them. We move rare gem from South Korea. They're all used in our daily essentials just like these, and especially our multi ionizers. And we also have 100% natural cosmetics. Korean cosmetics are the best. So today we want to share with you a case 2 of a multi ionizer for kitchen faucet installation. This is a very cool faucet head that we just see if our multi ionizer would fit. The only reason is a shower ionizer has no problem when it comes to installing, but the kitchen ones, every faucets are different in the United States. So mostly standard ones are like this, but there are also ones that are not standard. But we wanted to share with you transparently how these go whenever we see an opportunity to install them. So the owner apparently, as you can see, loves the look, even though it's a little bit off. And I like this rod in between because we have a kitchen bamboo towel our ionizers comes with that we use it to wash dishes without any detergent. And our head has 2 modes. One is drinking or cooking mode. The other one is spray mode, which is for washing dishes. Always remember, for the drinking water, you want to drink ionized water, but a lot of places have different quality water, different taste of water. Some places have a lot of chlorine, and this is not gonna filter. It's ionizer, not a filter. And the head part is plastic, so depending on how gentle you are, you could be replacing this head between 3 months to 6 months to 8 months or to a year. I used mine first year, about a year for the first one, and I have my second one in right now, and it just starts leaking, and then you know you need to replace it. But yeah, it looks pretty great. Lately, a lot of people are getting gold sinks, so our ionizer would match it perfectly, is what the owner just told us. And businesses that we recommend this is restaurants, $0 spent on detergent and 40% water bill saving. Salons, flower shops. If you have any opportunity to resell our multi ionizers, please let us know, and hopefully you'll become a gem mover soon and help us care for both people and nature. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so I could do more videos for you.